You're welcome to another video. So today we have a simultaneous linear equation given that x plus y is equals to 5 and x multiplied by y is equals to 5. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. We're going to find the value of x and y. So straight away, let us dive into the solution. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment. So let us start. I'm going to call this equation 1 and this one equation 2. So from equation 1, I'm going to make x the subject and x is the same as 5 minus y. I've just taken the y on the other side. And then I'm going to substitute that one in Roman 2. I'm going to have y. I'm going to have y 5 minus y, of course, multiplied by y should be equals to 5. And then expanding this, I'm going to have 5y multiplied by 5y squared should be equals to 5. And then I'm going to rearrange so that it changes to quadratic equation. I'm going to have y squared, of course, minus 5y plus 5 is equals to 0. I'm going to solve this using so for this quadratic equation, I'm going to have the coefficient of y squared is a, and then b is the coefficient of y, and then c is our constant term. Substituting this in the quadratic formula, I'm going to end up with the value of y now is equals to the negative of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c which is 5, everything multiplied by 2 times a. So this changes to, of course, when you open this, you're gonna get 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 times 5, we're gonna get 20. Everything divided by 2. Solving this further, I'm gonna get y is equals to I'm gonna have 5, the plus or minus. When you get this, you're gonna get the root of 5 divided by 2. So it means that either I'll have the first value of y will be a positive 5 plus the root of 5 divided by 2, or the second y, I'm gonna have 5 minus the root of 5 divided by 2. So the one is positive, another one is negative. Those are my values of y. So for me to get x, I'm gonna substitute my y1. Let me start with this. 5 plus the root of 5 divided by 2. I'm gonna substitute in either equation 1 so that I have x plus, where there is y, I'm gonna substitute all of this 5 plus the root of 5 divided by 2 should be equals to 5. So taking this on the other side, I'm going to end up with x is equals to the 5 minus 5 plus the root of 5 divided by 2. This can be further be simplified under a single fraction as 2, and then that goes there 10, of course, minus bracket 5 plus the root of 5. Opening this bracket and simplifying further, I'm going to end up with my x1 is equals to 5 plus the root of 5 and divide by 2. So that is my first value of x1. So let us go and find for y2 is equals to 5 minus of 5 root 5 divided by 2, and then substituting it in the first equation, I'm gonna get x plus, of course, 5 minus the root of 5 divided by 2 should give you 5. Of course, taking this on the other side, I'm gonna have x is equals to 5 minus the root of 5 divided by 2. X now becomes, writing this under a single fraction, I'm gonna get 2. That is 10 minus in bracket 5 minus the root of 5. Opening the bracket and resimplifying this, x now becomes, of course, 5, and that is open the bracket, I'm gonna get 5 negative and negative, that is positive root 5. So you realize this is positive, and the other one, this one, of course, I made a mistake here. So this is when you open this bracket with a negative, of course, you're gonna end up with a negative this side, so that when you open this, you get a negative, meaning that my first x1 was 5 minus the root of 5 divided by 2, and my x2 is 5 plus root 5 divided by 2. So guys, we have taken you through step by step up to the final solution. We have managed to find the two values of x and the two values of y. Kindly comment with an alternative approach, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notification on.